Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya
ka Meghalaya State Association ka penpau ka Sngewsarong namar ka Jylla ki Nongjngi na kanik Jylla ban Wanrah nam ya ka Jylla lingba ka Jyngïakob jongki ha ka Jingïakob Jngi kabla long dangshan ha Guwahati bat ha Chhattisgarh ka Nongjngi na kanik Jylla ka pedang suk lang singwan ka bana ka Sngewsarong kala job ha ka kerdan balai ha ka Jyngïakob Jngi ka sanpho mitar ha ka open category jong ka Asmita Women Swimming League Eastern Zone kabala long ha Guwahati ka association ka penpauru ka Sngewsarong namarba ka Jingjob jong uviram ji nongsiet ha ka kerdan balai ha ka Jyngïakob Jngi ka sanpho mitar freestyle ha ka first Khelo India Tribal Games 2026 kabala long ha Chhattisgarh ka MSA kala penko boromru ya kini ki arngut ki Nongjngi ki bala Wanrah nam ya ka Jylla bat kila penko boromru ya baro ki Nongjngi ki bala lej bani shimenta ba kentop ya ka Gil Darlins Sumar Biang Maulong ka Ilarisog Yuroy ka Ti Jalewa bat ka Eugenia Sumer nangta yo umeban ket boklang banai Nazarin Paryong Irtakso Meyai Pensan Eltron Jennifer Rimbai, Ban Penshangai Singwan, Bat U Alberts Winston Karbani.
And now, the team manager to the Tribal Games in Chhattisgarh for Tribal Games and also from Africa. Ilarisog Yuroy. Irutaksu. May I feel something about May I get bok lang banay? Thank you, Babaya. I now request Jonathan Elbers Winston Karbani. Thank you, Bobby. East Zone Championship, Guwahati, Assam, Miss Piang Lang Singwan. Thank you, Bob. Kenneth. Championship at the first Khelo India Tribal Games 2026 at Raipur, Chhattisgarh, and she is none other than Miss Verim Gedalaya Nongse. Why we have this felicitation program today is because we feel that our swimmers have done their best to improve their timing and also to bring laurels for the state. And we are very proud, to to actually see that our athletes have been able to win medals in both the Khelo India Games and also in the Asmita swimming competition. League, which will be held in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. And the league will be held from the 12th to the 14th of April. And we also take this occasion, today's event, to hold a kind of a send-off ceremony to these two athletes. And they are Padyang Soklang Singwan and Divisha Jelewa. These are the two athletes representing the state in the sport of swimming in the final of the Asmita Women's Swimming League at Ahmedabad, Gujarat from 12 to 14th April. So we wish them all the best. Managed to get a podium finish at the competition that will be held in Ahmedabad.
Since last year, we were supported by the government of Meghalaya, by the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, to give our swimmers the required coaching, the required facilities. Even though we have a 25 meters pool, we had to take them out to Jorhat. So Jorhat was a 14 days training camp, then go to Guwahati again another 14 days training camp. So on and off with trying to cope with all this practice with their studies. Most of them are in class 10, class 11, class 12. So it's not an easy task to balance the studies and their sport. But they've given their best. Also, I'd like to thank our coach, who we have recruited since last year. There's a lot of difference now. Previously, they used to swim 1 kilometer. Now they can swim for 8 kilometers a day. Thanks to our coach, Mr. Santosh. He has really contributed so much. And having a coach, all this time we did not have a coach, but having a coach really makes a difference. So in any sports ecosystem, we need the support staff, we need the coach, and we need, there are a lot of people involved to make champions. Infrastructure is a given. We don't have the infrastructure. In fact, if you look at all the top athletes, infrastructure is always there. We don't have the required infrastructure. 25 meters pool and 50 meters pool. So when our swimmers go and swim in a 50 meters pool, it's a world of difference. Then a coach is needed. Then you need a physiotherapist. You need a nutritionist. Food is very important. You need strength training. You need a psychologist. So all these things matter in us. If you want to produce champions. We've tried our best. So this team preparation that is ongoing till now, we have a physiotherapist, we have a nutritionist, we don't have a psychologist yet, but I think the coach is trying to handle many things, and we also try to handle many things. But at the end of the day, as a team, I think this is an achievement, and we really look forward to improving in the years to come. In fact, the National Games, which is going to be hosted by Meghalaya, is happening in 2027, provided the infrastructure is put up on time. But we have a lot of hope because looking at our young swimmers, 13, 14 years old, by the time they peak, means they can compete with other swimmers. 50 meters freestyle, and of course in the Khelo India Tribal Games, I was talking to the coach and he said that our swimmers have lots of potential. In fact, we could have won many medals, but because of the few days that we have to practice. But of course, Verum Longset has proven that, with the right facilities, with the right temperament, we can get a podium finish. And she has proven it. She lost by, I will not say lost, but microseconds. Just a microsecond left. And we expected more from our male swimmers too. But anyway, this is the start of the journey. We don't look back, we look forward, and we hope that in the future, our swimmers will do well. Once again, congratulate everyone, the coach, the swimmers, the parents who have supported us so much. And we try to motivate our swimmers, try to motivate our parents, the parents, all of them. In fact, sometimes we end up arguing against each other, fighting against each other. Why? Because for the very first time, Meghalaya collected medals at a national meet. And that too, with our limited resources, limited facilities, we could manage. And I would also like to congratulate especially the swimmers who have dedicated their time and everything, including their parents, to make them athletes of a national caliber. We still have a long way to go. As you all know, Meghalaya Swimming Association has been there for more than 20 years now, more than 23 years. So our journey started 23 years ago, and it took us 20 years to reach where we are right now. So it's not the destination actually. The destination is getting into the podium and wearing the medals, but it's the journey. The journey where we have, fought tooth and nail against all odds. Get our athletes, young athletes to, commit themselves to the sport and convince them. It's a very long journey. But this journey is also, we still have a long way to go with the nationals coming. And if you look at the age group of our athletes, they're very young. Most of them are below 20 years. A few are 20 and 21 years and in their 20s. I think only one is in our 20s. So this is one or two in the 20s. So this is a kind of the path forward for Meghalaya Swimming Association. And we're looking to provide them the best. We also thank the government of Meghalaya for the team preparation that has helped this young athletes to achieve what they have achieved.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ।
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है, ऑटोमेटिक गियर बॉक्स, वेंटिलेटेड सीट्स, सनरूफ।
क्यों ना हो, फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है। लेट्स गो गाइस, पार्टी टाइम।
Skoda.